Hello and welcome back to day 4 for the Eat Your Chakra Challenge, working with the heart chakra today. There's so much juiciness that I have here. I'm realizing that I have the most green stuff in my kitchen, and so wanting to share all that I have and see what you might have in yours as well. So the heart chakra, we've gone from the 3 lower chakras, the root, the sacral, the solar plexus, and now we're right here in the middle from the other 3 top chakras. And so the heart is all about not just love with romance, but love with compassion, loving and empathy, right? And so it also ties into that beautiful place of forgiveness. And it's so funny that, of course, when we eat healthy foods, when we have a great big delicious salad, we feel healthy, right? And so wanting to bring all of that in and looking through all of the green stuff that I have in my kitchen. So of course have to starting out with some spinach here. I have some frozen kale as well. I even also have some cilantro, which is super common here in Latin American countries. There's cilantro in just about everything. Is a great garnish on top of protein, and of course tacos. I don't have an avocado with me because I ate them all, but I had avocados yesterday. So that's something else. I love aloe juice. If this is something that you want to throw in a smoothie or just drink on its own, it is second to coconut water. It is so good. So if you're into different juices that maybe aren't just water-based, that is a great one, as well as a green juice. I love using my green juice early in the morning. I take it with my vitamins and it just makes me feel healthy from the inside out. And of course, I can't have a salad without having cucumber. So I love adding cucumbers to my salads. It's just the first thing that I usually put in there on top of tomatoes and avocado, of course. And then the other thing that I have is a lime, another delicious acid-based fruit, another citrus that is also very common here in Mexico and other Central and South American countries, whereas Europe and Italy, of course, is known for its lemon. Mexico and plenty of countries underneath the border here are very tied to the lime. And so what are some green things that you might have in your kitchen? How do you want to invoke that feeling of compassion for your fellow neighbor, for yourself, as well as that feeling of forgiveness? So while you're cooking tonight, think of the colorful foods that you have. How can you bring more green into your life and really have that sense of love? So I'm super excited to bring you to day 5 tomorrow, talking about the throat chakra and how to invoke that. So until then, shine on.